So I put this post up a few days ago. One of the pages did over 1 million views, and like always, the negative comments came with it. Normally, I do not pay too much attention to hate. That comes with speaking your truth online. At first I thought, okay, MAGA bots, nothing new. But then I realized something deeper. Some of those comments were not bots. They were real people carrying real fear, real anger, and real stereotypes. So my question is simple. What makes you think this way? What life experience made you see people like that? And do you really believe it is fair to judge millions of people by the actions of a few? Because my post was not about division. It was about standing with people who are being targeted. Black, white, Jewish, Muslims, Latino, gay, trans, Asian, straight, whoever. And where hate comes from one group, it never stops there. So yes, I said what I said. I stand with the oppressed, and I will always fight for equality. Real talk.